Hello friends, Books with Grandma here, and today I have a book called Honk on the Road. And this has 10 noisy vehicle sounds. Let's get started. All cars stop when a traffic light is red. When the light turns green, the cars can go again. Beep, beep. People use cars to get them where they need to go. Trucks haul a lot of heavy goods. Many trucks travel long distances to deliver goods. Honk, honk. A dump truck carries dirt and rocks away from a construction site in its dump bed. To empty out its load, a dump truck lifts and tilts the dump bed. Clank, clank. A fire truck races to get to a fire. Hoses, ladders, and everything the firefighters will need are on the truck. Woo, woo! A helicopter can take off from and land in lots of different places. A helicopter can fly straight ahead, swoop up or down, and even fly sideways or backwards. A police car sounds its siren on its way to an emergency. The siren tells other cars to get out of the way. Woo, woo! These tractors get to work on the farm. Tractors help farmers with their crops and can also pull heavy things. Vroom, vroom. A front loader moves rocks and soil out of the way. A front loader has a big bucket attached to its front that can scoop up or push things such as rocks and dirt. Vroom, vroom. A train speeds along the train tracks. Traveling by train is a fast way to get where you need to go. Choo-choo! Look at the huge wheels on that monster truck. Monster trucks race and jump and compete in shows. Brum, brum. There's a nice sticker. The end. Thank you so much for stopping by. And until next time, always have fun.